So first off, I know a lot of y'all been following the channel for a little while, but I've been having this ongoing issue with Mavis discount tire for the last, I want to say, 2 months, man, and it's time consuming, and I need it to be fixed like ASAP. Like, it's been too long. But anyway, for those who don't know and you're not in the 200 group on Facebook, matter of fact, let me show y'all what's going on. I want to say about 2 months ago, and I had them do my struts. I had to get my struts replaced. Some of y'all may know I did have the rear struts replaced on the car because it was wearing unevenly on the tire. So what I had them do was replace the struts. Now that requires the car to be on a lift, yada yada yada, but for some odd reason, and you can see it from right here, that the side panel is bent. Like, they placed the car on the lift the wrong way. So you can see from right here that it's a little bent. It's not that bad on this side, but on the other side it's really bad. Let me see if you can see it from, yeah. So I don't even have to show you underneath. You can see it obviously that you can obviously see that it's right here. And then once you walk backwards, you can see the indent. So I had to let them know, like, hey, listen, y'all bent up my side skirt. Like, that needs to be fixed. Like, I don't understand how that could have happened. Like, why would you place the lift on the actual plastic of the car? I want to make sure I can get a good angle for y'all. There you go. You can see it better there. But that's the ongoing issue I got going on right now. So I actually went to this place called the Brothers. I think it was called the Brothers Collision Shop or something like that. And they gave me, hold on one second. They gave me a pretty good detail estimate. They were saying that it could be fixed. They wanted to heat it up and pull it. I'm like, nah, we not doing that. We just getting whole new parts. Just replace both new panels. This is what they cost for both rocker panels for the or rocker moldings for the passenger and driver. It's $240. It's $244 a piece, $488, and then obviously the labor stuff. So a total of $655. Okay, cool. That's no problem. So I take it back to Mavis. I let them know. They send a documentation into their corporate office or whatever. And 2 weeks later, I go back to the collision place to get the car fixed, and they're saying that it wasn't approved and all this other nonsense. They have no proof of the damage. Like, what do you mean? I took the car to get an estimate. They gave me the estimate paper. I gave it to your location manager, and it still hasn't been taken care of. So I went today and got the paperwork for the estimate, and I'm gonna take the car up to Mavis tomorrow and show them the damage again on the car to verify, because this is ridiculous. I'm about to get rid of the car, getting ready to trade it in and get something new in a couple months, and I need that damage fixed because they are not gonna give me, I mean, they're already not giving me, I mean, for the depreciation, I'm already not gonna get much, but especially with the damage on the car on both sides, they're not gonna give me little, they're gonna give me little to anything, if that. So gotta get that squared away. Is there anything else going on? I don't think so. I'm gonna post a video because I'm gonna take all of the mods that I did to this car. I'm gonna take them all off, so stay tuned for that. If you have a 200, I will be selling all of the parts that I have for this car. Like, that front lip is gonna get sold, the rear spoiler is gonna get sold, the I think the cold air intake I'm gonna take out of there for y'all. I got the LED lights too, and the single fog lights. I don't know which ones I'm gonna keep in, because these are worth some money, right? These are worth like a good $2 something a piece. So I might take those off to give them to one of y'all, or sell them to one of y'all 200 owners, because I'm pretty sure y'all could use that for y'all car, and I'll just put back in the ones that came with the car. So, because they're not gonna give me more money for updating the LEDs. So I might as well just sell them to one of y'all. But that's pretty much it, man. Like, I'm pissed. Like, I want this fixed. I've been searching for new cars, and this is just like, yo, I can't take my car up there with the damaged parts until they fix it. I can, but I'm not gonna do that because I want more money for the car. So I'm gonna keep y'all updated, man. I'm out. Enjoy the rest of y'all night, man. Peace.